Hi, my name is Hilda, and I am from North-West College West Covina in the Pharmacy Tech class, morning class, and I would like to show you how to properly use a nasal spray called Flonase. First of all, you shake before using, remove the cap, and for first use, you always pump it until you see a spray, and then you have to put your head forward, and instead of plugging one nostril, you just pull your nostril and spray. Make sure you inhale softly, not very hard, because then you'll go and you'll have, it'll go to the back of your throat. And then for the same thing, for your other nostril, pull and spray and inhale. And that is the proper way to use a nasal spray.